Welcome to our journey through the origins of Australian music. Today, we're exploring how music first took shape on this vast continent. We begin with the world's oldest musical traditions, the sounds of the indigenous Australians. For tens of thousands of years, the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples have used instruments like the didgeridoo, a hollowed eucalyptus two-band clapping sticks to connect with nature and spirit. As European settlers arrived in the 18th century, new influences blended with indigenous sounds. Convicts and free settlers brought folk music, sea shanties, and hymns, laying the foundation for a diverse musical tapestry. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into Australia's traditional music forms and the classical composers who shaped a national sound. Stay tuned.